Hi everybody, welcome back to the last part of 7.2 similar polygons geometry. Now our learning objectives use the definition of similarity to identify similar polygons and solve problems by using the properties of similar polygons. For today we're going to look at theorem 7.1, perimeters of similar polygons. It says that if two polygons are similar, then their perimeters are proportional to the scale factor. So not only their sides are proportional to the same scale factor, but their perimeters are also proportional. Alright? So let's look at this example. If ABCD is similar to PQRS, find the scale factor of ABCD to PQRS and the perimeter of each polygon. Alright? Now, to find the scale factor, we need to divide two corresponding sides. Let's look at these rectangles. We know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if this is 20, this is 20, and this is 14, and this is 25. Okay, so let's divide two corresponding sides. AB, corresponding side for AB is PQ. So AB over PQ equals 20 over 25, and that equals 4 over 5. Which means that the perimeters are also, they're proportional to the same scale factor, which is 4 over 5. Now to find the perimeter of ABCD, it's 20 plus 20 plus 14 plus 14. That would be 40 plus 28, that's 68. Okay? Now we need to find the perimeter of PQRS. We only have one side. To get this side, you need to use the scale factor. So we can say, for example, that 14 over x equals, the scale factor is 4 over 5. Okay, so 4x equals 70. X equals 70 over 4, which is 17.5. Okay, so this is 17.5. Now we can find the perimeter of the other triangle, or we can use the scale factor because they're proportional. That means, so the first one is 68 over P, let's say, equals what? 4 over 5. So 4P equals 5 times 68. That means P equals 5 times 68 is 340. Divided by 4. Okay, 300 divided by 4 is 75, and 40 divided by 4 is 10, so the answer is 85. Okay, let's make sure that's correct. 50 plus 50 is 25 plus 25 is 50, and 17.5 times 2 is 35. Okay, that will give us 85. It's a bit crowded, but you get the idea. Alright? Please pause the video and go over this one more time because it looks messy. And we're going to do another example. Let's look at this example. The minute family and neighboring Godet family both have in-ground swimming pools. The minute family pool, EQRS, which is this one, measures 48 by 84. The Godet family pool, WXYZ, measures 40 feet by 70 feet. Are the two pools similar? If so, write the similarity statement. Okay? Now, they're both rectangles, so their angles are congruent. We have to prove that they're similar by looking at the scale factor. Okay? How do we find the scale factor? We have to divide. So the smaller side is 48 right here. So 48 divided by, this is the smaller side, 40. How much is that? Divide both sides. So this is 6 over 5. Okay, if we divide both numerator and denominator by 8. Now let's look at the longer sides. 84 divided by 70. Let's divide both sides by 7. What do we get? 12. And over 10, which is 6 over 5. So the ratio is the same. We don't have to do these sides because they're equal. These are rectangles. So this is 84, and this is 48, and this is 40, and this is 70. Okay? Now another way we can do this is, or it's not required, but let's just see if the perimeters are proportional to. The perimeter for this one is 84 plus 84 plus 48 plus 48. This is 96, and this is 168, 250, 264. And let's look at this. It's 40 plus 40 plus 70 plus 70. 140 and 80 is 220. Okay, let's divide. 264 by 220. Okay. And I think if we do that, we're going to get 6 over 5 for sure. Okay. Try that. Let's see if we can do another example. All right, let's look at this. On the blueprint of the apartment shown, the balconies measure 1 inch wide by 1.75 inch long. If the actual length of the balcony is 7 feet, what's the perimeter of the balcony? So this is the blueprint, and let's say this is the actual balcony, actual size. Okay, it says that the length of the balcony is 7 feet, and we want the perimeter of the balcony. To calculate the perimeter, we need the width. To do that, since these two are similar, okay, we need to find the scale factor and find x, okay? Or we know that these are proportional, then we can find x. Let's say the width is x. So 7 feet over 1.75 inch equals x over 1. Okay, 1 inch. Now this is in feet. We need to convert that to inches. 7 times 12 is 84 inch. So 1.75 times x equals 84. X equals 84 divided by 1.75. Let's find that. 84 divided by 1.75 is 48. So x equals 48. Okay? And this would be 48, and this would be 84 and 84. So to find the perimeter, we just add all sides. So it's 2 times 48 plus 2 times 84. Okay? And that will give us, let's do this. 2 times 48 is 96, plus 2 times 84 is 168, 264. So the answer is 264 inch. Alright? And that's it for this example, and that's it for this video. So what we learned today is that when you have two similar polygons, all the corresponding sides are proportional, and the perimeters of the two polygons are proportional to the same scale factor as that of the sides. Okay? Well, for now, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe, leave some comments, and have a good day. Bye.